Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 24th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro-US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. Also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So the euro dollar did pretty much exactly as we talked about this morning. It did not break structure, but instead it ended up pushing down. I was saying this morning that the 161, 178 is a likely area. Now, if it does turn up and if it does break structure, I'll be more than happy to become a buyer and start looking for pullbacks. But as of right now, I definitely am still bearish, at least on these short time frames. I still think it's likely to go down to at least the 161, maybe even the 178 before we get the continuation of the uptrend. I am very, very bullish on the very high time frames, but I don't think this corrective pattern, which I think is most likely an expanding flat, I don't really think this corrective pattern is complete yet. But if the market goes up and breaks structure, I'll be more than happy to start looking for logs. Otherwise, I'd be targeting this 161 or 178% Fibonacci extension for possibly the end of this ABC correction. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.